Welcome to another episode with Online Franchiser. Nowadays, I have seen so many new distributors who are joining with us to build the business, raising the same question again and again, even at the initial level of their businesses. What is that question? Most of them are complaining and asking answers for not having enough number of contacts. Even some people asking this question and answers as soon as they start the business. Within first 3 months, within first 6 months, they are asking and they are telling, my contact list is over. Now no one is there to explain the business. No one is there to invite to explain the business. How can that be possible? We are living in the society for almost 20 to 25 to 30 years. Majority of the people are joining with the business after 20 years. So they have already lived in the society 20 years. At least minimum more than 10,000 people, 5,000 to 10,000 people might have been crossed through their life within that 20 years. So all of them are contacts. The problem is we don't see them as contacts, them as prospectors. And we think when we are creating the name list as soon as we start this business with the guidance of our senior members, upliners, we are creating a name list. We think that is the only name list that we need to create. And we are not going to improve it also. But think about a businessman, entrepreneur. Are they getting stuck with a limited number of customers, limited number of contacts? Never. They keep growing their contact base, they keep growing their customer base because we are building a business. Business means more customers, more profits means more customers. So, what we need to do as networkers, we have to follow these two steps to have last longing contact base and unlimited number of prospectors every day to present the business. What are those two steps? Number one, add minimum 3 contacts per day into your contact list. 3 contacts, which means name and a phone number or email address. 3 contacts only per day. Is it difficult? If it is difficult for you, which means you are not suitable to do any kind of business. Why? If you visit any social media, at least for 30 minutes, 1 hour time per day, you can collect more than 3 contacts. You can get connected with more than 3 people and get their contact details by chatting few stuff, basic stuff with them. The second part is at least you should make 5 calls per day with 5 new prospectors. When you are making 5 calls per day, what is happening? You are getting qualified prospectors where you can invite to present the business. So when you keep doing this activity, making 5 calls every day to your contact list, what is happening? You will have qualified prospectors in a queue where you can present the business every day. So when you follow these 2 steps only, you will never become desperate in this business, desperate in presenting the business, or desperate in growing this business. You will never bring this complaint to any of your upline that I don't have any contacts. Are you getting my point? I hope you got it. So keep following this. Start from right now. Find 3 contacts and make 5 calls and build your organization into the best ever organization level throughout the world. Remember, the world is having a population of 7.8 billion people, which means at least more than 4.5 billion people are suitable as prospectors to join with the organization. So never tell there are no contacts. Everywhere you are seeing prospectors and contacts. Only thing, you don't have the right mindset to identify them as prospectors and get connected with them. So follow it, follow these 2 steps, and you will never become a person where you don't have any prospectors or contacts to present. So wish you all the best, good luck, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with others and like this video. Thank you very much.